Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Valorant on HP laptop. Start by updating Windows and GPU drivers, then install Vanguard and Valorant. Set game mode on, choose high performance power plan, and plug in your charger. Prefer Ethernet for stable ping, lower in-game settings for consistent frame rates, and close background apps. Finally, calibrate mouse sensitivity and test a practice match to confirm smooth gameplay. Adjust in-game graphics to balance visuals and performance for your HP laptop. Drop texture and shadow settings first, keep resolution scale at 100% for sharpness, and choose a 16:9 ratio if supported. Disable V-Sync to reduce input lag, enable multi-core rendering to use more CPU cores, and cap frame rate slightly above your display refresh rate. Test changes one at a time to find your sweet spot for consistent gameplay. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to keep these guides coming. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for relaxed reading between matches and saves battery life when you step away from gaming. It's light, easy to hold, and great on flights or coffee breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep your HP laptop running smoothly by managing thermal and CPU load during matches. Close heavy apps such as browsers or Cloud Sync, and disable startup programs that consume RAM. Use HP support tools to check for BIOS and driver updates, and consider a cooling pad to prevent throttling. An external gaming mouse can improve aim, and periodically clean vents to maintain airflow, so your laptop can hold steady FPS in longer sessions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.